Can I tell you something I've noticed? One of the most frequent questions women have for me who have left narcissistic abusive relationships is, why can't I remember anything anymore? So this looks like forgetting where your keys are, forgetting important conversations, or even forgetting chunks of the relationship. Maybe you've walked into a room and you've forgotten why you're there, or you forgot an appointment. And this is pretty common. Research shows us that when you're under chronic stress, your brain prioritizes different things. So if you've been in an environment where you're constantly walking on eggshells or psychologically fearing for your safety, your brain isn't prioritizing those types of things. It's prioritizing your psychological safety. And your brain and your nervous system doesn't rewire until we teach it differently. So if you're constantly forgetting or needing reminders, that's actually completely normal after narcissistic abuse. It's okay, be patient with yourself. Your brain needs time to rewire and to recognize that it no longer needs to be on high alert all of the time. Give yourself some grace. Have you noticed this pattern? Let me know in the comments.